Let's feel circulation in the atmosphere and meanwhile experience comfort in the natural environment. We've been pursuing the experience of living in comfortable homes simply to give our families a cozy and relaxed feeling. HISS has a professional design and R&D team. It uses the most advanced and professional equipment and software. Retractable window screen was designed and produced in 2000. Founded in Taiwan, HISS expands comfortable living space and design thinking to the world. There's a number of product series. The product design can be customized to meet customers' needs. We provide materials of various types and colors. The human-centered design and high-end residential standards perfectly meet customers' needs. Come and experience the harmonious environment and home space that HISS brings to customers. Humanized design makes disassembling of window screen much easier. It presents a simple design that is integrated with a sustainable environmental protection concept. This is a goal we constantly maintain. The dockable function is HISS's exclusive invention. It effectively improves the hand clamping problem of traditional scroll handle. It combines with innovative technology to produce a device that can remotely control and set the automatic stop. We use acoustic technology for analysis to reduce the sliding noise of the door. Its design of no upraised rail presents a barrier-free space. Let's experience the quiet and comfortable quality of life brought by technology. HISS not only is dedicated to design of invisible window screens, but also invests a lot of R&D resources in the development of ventilation doors to develop an innovative ventilation door product. Its beautiful appearance combines with anti-theft, anti-mosquito, air and water tightness functions. For users, it realizes the aesthetics of home life. With its profound quality, HISS has successfully achieved multiple domestic and foreign patent certifications from the United States, Australia, the European Union, and Japan. We also have an independent TAF laboratory for rigorous inspection, ensuring the quality of each product. Adhering to the concepts of honesty, innovation, service, and sustainability, HISS has become the first choice window screen system for luxury homes in Taiwan. We connect space with life closely. Let every window screen be a reassuring and comfy breeze.